Hello, in this training tutorial, we will be going over our Traction Tools Level 10 Meeting Organizer. So this meeting organizer organizes all of our high-level meetings in the company for leadership, as well as our operations team, and also our sales management team as well. So what we need help from our VAs on is this thing right here called the scorecard. So the scorecard is a bunch of different metrics or KPIs, key performance indicators, that give us information about what is happening in the business on a weekly basis. So when we look at these scorecards, we're looking over the course of approximately 12 weeks. So this way we can go ahead and compare our numbers to the previous weeks and see if we are on track or if the business is getting off track. You can see that there's multiple colors. We have green here that says we are on track, and then the red signifies to us that we are off track. We need to look into that number to understand what is going wrong for that different performance indicator. So this is going to be handled by our VAs once a week in preparation for the meetings. So these are some of the different indicators that we will need to have pulled from the reporting out of Smart Moving and other company reports and then placed onto the scorecard. In this video, we're just going to be going over what the indicators are and what data needs to be pulled. We're not going to be talking about how to pull it. I'll do a separate video on how to pull it for each different department. So on the first one, total weekly revenue, we'll see the numbers there. These are the dates that we're looking for from the 28th to the 6th for this week. Next one, we have number of jobs completed. We'll pull out the total number of jobs that we did in that week from Smart Moving, our CRM, our customer resource management software. We'll pull out the number of helpers, which is the number of movers that cannot drive, the number of new claims that we have each week, the number of total claims that we had each week, the number or the amount that we paid out in claims each week, number of refunds that we sent out to our customers, the amount in the dollar amount that was actually refunded to customers goes here. Total new online reviews will go here, and that will be pulled from the weekly review tracker. And then we have overall booking percentage in sales. How many of our leads did our sales agents book? Number of new leads that we receive each week. Number of claims from designers. Total labor cost. As you can see, we haven't really gotten our labor cost down. That will be something that we'll be focusing on here soon. We'll definitely be using our VAs to help with those numbers there as well. So total labor cost company-wide, Seattle labor cost, and Woodinville labor cost. And then down here, we get into a lot of the sales information. So Cindy's booking percentage, Glenda's booking percentage here, Daryl's booking percentage, Zayla's booking percentage, Amber, Kirk, those are all of our sales agents. We also have open L&I claims, Woodinville vaults filled, that is our storage. We store items in things called vaults. So this is the number of storage containers that we have at each location, and then total number of vaults filled. So this is our leadership scorecard. This is for high level leadership for myself as the president, Simon Karami as our vice president, Gavin Bussell as our regional director, and then Donovan Wass as our corporate manager, and then finally Jesus Carranza, who is our director of operations. So you'll find the way to manipulate this data in here in the workspaces. And then you also see other meetings. There is the operations L-10 meeting, and this one has different KPIs as well. A lot of them are similar. So you'll see, things like total helpers was in the last report, labor costs in the last report, amount of refunds. So a lot of these different KPIs, as soon as you fill them out in one report, it's going to populate on the operations scorecard, on the leadership scorecard, and then some items will populate on the sales scorecard as well. So, like, for example, the booking percentages that we notice down here. So if you fill out on one scorecard, it fills it out on all of them. So that's just a general overview of what we're looking for from our VAs in order to communicate the information and get prepared for our meetings. So if we go over to our VA training website, which is currently in production right now, we have the daily and weekly VA checklist. This is going to show exactly what needs to be done on what days. So if you look at the weekly schedule, Monday, the operations L-10 meeting measurables need to be done on the scorecard. Tuesday, the sales meeting measurables need to be completed. And then Wednesday, the leadership L-10 meeting measurables on the scorecard will be completed as well. So these right here, all the data on the scorecard, that is what's considered a measurable. It's just a number that can be measured to once again see if we're on track in green or off track in red. So that's a summary of the L-10 meeting and the scorecard and the measurables. In a future video, we will get into exactly how to find those different measurables for each departmental meeting. So thanks for listening and have a great day.